Hello P&W Blanks and Sublimation members, it's Dawn and today is Tutorial Tuesday and we are going to look at wallets and sunglass holders that Anna has on her website at pnwblanksanna.com, or you can go to pnwsub.com and get the links for all three websites. But so we've got our cute sunglass holder, and you sublimate right here. You open it up. It's got a little area for your sunglasses or regular glasses. And these are my reading glasses that I have to wear, so they just fit right in. And then they've got two little magnets, so it just closes shut. So that is our glasses case. Gotta put my glasses back on. And then we've got two women's wallets. We've got the one that has sublimation right here, and it's a zipper wallet. And then inside, it's got places for your credit card. It's got a little secret stash right there, little secret stash here, and then it's got a place for your credit card and your ID here, or your different cards. And then it's got the little zipper change area, and then your little cash area here. And it's black on the back, so these are really nice. And then she also has these with the different colors with the like crocodile skin on one side, and this is the fuchsia pinky one. We're going to sublimate on this side. Same thing, you unzip. So it's got the same thing inside that the other wallet has. And then we have our men's wallets, which are really nice. They've got lots of storage area. Black on this side, sublimate on this side. So these are really nice to do. So we're going to do all of these different things. And I've got some different prints printed out. And all I did was measure and then go just a little bit bigger so that I don't get any white. So I just take my measuring tape. This is about 3.5. So I might go to 3.6, 3.7, just to make it a little bigger than the blank so that I know it covers it. And then that's about 7.95. So go about 8. So that's just how to measure for your templates. And then I just draw the box and then do it. So I've got my press heating up, my heat press heating up to 380. And we're going to do 380 at 60 seconds. And see how that goes. So we're going to start with our men's wallet. And all I'm going to do is take my paper and I'm just going to lay it down on there. Make sure it's in there. Make sure you can see. I'm just going to tape it down really good. And I tried to get as many prints on one, so it's not as taped down, but if we turn it over, we just double check that it's all in the area where I want it to be. And then we're going to come back to the heat press. What I want to show too, a lot of people have been talking about pressing pillows. So I got this set on Amazon. You get a big one. You get this size, so I use this one for shirts. This size I use for my Easter baskets. You get this long piece, and then you get this little small piece if you're doing something small that you want. So I just got those on Amazon. They just have foam inside. So we're going to move over to the heat press. I'll tape everything up, and then we'll see how everything turns out. Okay, so for the men's wallet, I'm going to let the edge hang off here. This way so you can see. So I've got my blowout paper here. I'm going to let the wallet hang out off there, this other edge of it. Put this in. And you know what? I didn't check was my pressure, so I'm going to use this side to check my pressure real quick. This one's too tight. So that's good. So you just want medium pressure. So we're gonna let that hang out. And I'm hoping that this is gonna work hanging out like this. We'll find out. So I'm just gonna hold that. And then we're gonna let it go. And then we'll be back and see how it does. All right. I probably should have taped the top down just a little bit, but I got just a little bit. I didn't tape it down tight enough and it moved just a little bit, but they sub so easy. So there's our men's wallet. I did get a little, didn't transfer quite as much because I didn't have that taped down good. So we'll do it better on the other ones. But this is our men's wallet. And then we'll come back and do the other ones. All right, now we're gonna do our sunglass case. So I've got my design printed here, or taped on. I'm just gonna open it and we're gonna do it. Same thing, we're just gonna hang it out. Paper here. And same time and temp. So 380, 60 seconds. We'll see how this one comes out. Let's see how this one comes out. And this design, so the men's wallet design I just got off of Etsy. And this design is from Kylene Designs. Excuse me, Kylene Designs, one of our new approved designers. Oh, that came out super cute. That came out super cute for a little glass case. Just some little flowers on it. With the white background showing through. Okay. So then we have our next one, which is one of the wallets. And this one I'm going to have to open up my pressure some. And this one I'm just going to lay all the way flat here instead of trying to hang it off, because then it's going to bulge at my paper. So we're going to try it this way. Let's see. I'm going to get one thing on. Let me test my pressure. This is our mama bear one with the crocodile backing. And it's going to do same time and temp. And then we'll come back and see how that one looks. All right, let's see how we did on this, putting the whole thing in there. Part is just a little spot. But look how pretty those colors are. So I got just a little fading at the top, I think, from my clamshell where it went down on it. So maybe we'll try just doing this part on the next one. But look how pretty those colors are. Like, these subs so pretty. They're so pretty. I'll let that cool down. Then I'll be back with the last one, and we're going to try it the different way and see if that works better for my top there. Okay, so for the wallets that are black on the back, Anna doesn't have any more of the zip ones, just the different colored ones that we did. So that was what she used to have, and I forgot that's what I had. So these are the actual white ones that you'll get now. They have the clasp closed. They've got the credit cards here, the little pocket there, your change, and then a little pocket here. And then you can also buy a little wrist strap to put here to put on it. So we're going to do this one, and then I'll show them again after we get done. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got my design, and we're going to hang this one off here. And we're doing a 380 for 60 seconds. I need to adjust my pressure from the last one. Okay. Okay, so just medium pressure. Let's see how this one turns out. All right, let's see how this did. Really good. That one's really cute. Ooh, hot. Look, those colors look really great. Okay, so I'm going to switch back over and we'll take a look at them all. Okay, so let's just go over what we've done today. So we have our sunglass holder, and this design is by Abby Rain Creations. The little color flowers, which I love, and look how pretty those colors look. And so it just opens up, has a magnet closure, black on the back. These are really nice and sturdy. Keep them in your purse. You're not going to smush your glasses. And they're really big, so they fit all kinds of different glasses. That's our glasses holder. And all this stuff is on Anna's website, pnwblanksanna.com or pnwsub.com. And you can click on Anna's site from there. Then we have the women's wallets with the black back. And this is Michelle Ray Designs stained glass design. Thought it looked really pretty. And these are actually, these two and a couple more tumbler designs that I kind of turned into a wallet design. So this has the snap closure. I showed you the wrong one earlier. She doesn't have those with the black anymore. So she just has the snap. It's got a little pocket in the front. Your little credit cards. A pocket here. And then it has two little pockets here with the chain zipper here. Okay. So there's our women's wallets. And then she also does have the zipper closure one with the different color backings. So there's different colors, and this one is a zipper one. And this is actually Anna's design that she had created that I just thought was really cute. The colors went really good with this. So those open up and have different pockets. And then we have the men's wallet. And this is one that I got on Etsy. And you open it up and it flips up. So you've got your ID here, a lot of credit card storage, and you're here. So, and then this, I just did a couple more. So here's another one. This was a tumbler design by Abby Rain Creations. I actually put this on a bullet and showed it, I think, a couple months ago. But I thought it'd be really pretty on a wallet. And then this is one that I just got off of Etsy, Best Dad Ever. So that is our wallets and sunglass cases. And then Anna also has, I don't know if you've seen them, I just totally lost what these are called. Badge reels, sorry. And they come with a little disc that you will sub, and then you take the tape off and it goes right there. So just a couple cute things for today, but I hope that that tutorial helped on if you've been a little hesitant on doing some of the wallets. They're really easy and they come out really pretty. So go check out Anna's site for those products. Thank you. Oh, real quick. And Elena has updated the approved featured designer list. So make sure you go to the featured section on the group page and you can download and check out all of the new featured designers that we have, approved designers. So thank you.